Hi, this is Melanie Jones with United Chestnuts in our test kitchen, getting ready to prepare some pork carnitas with a chestnut mole sauce. It's freezing outside. I think it's going to be 7 degrees. And anytime I can get my cast iron Dutch oven out and cook something, I'm all over it. So let's see how this one turns out. So far, this was pretty easy. I simply took all the seasoning, mixed up real well with the pork chunks, and quickly get in the Dutch oven before I add some of the other ingredients. Here I'm using another cast iron skillet, and I have all the ingredients for the mole sauce bubbling away. And once this is cooked down, then I will put it in a Vitamix and make a sauce. So now everything is inside the Vitamix, blending into a really silky smooth mole type sauce made with chestnuts and all the other ingredients. Looks delicious. It smells so doggone good in here, I had to take a peek. This is the Carnitas just simmering away in a 300-degree oven. I'm just charring up a couple of flour tortillas to house the Carnitas. Our grandson Porter absolutely loves Spanish rice, so I fixed this to go with the Carnitas tacos with chestnut mole sauce, and it is delicious. And here we have the finished product of Carnitas tacos with a chestnut mole sauce, served in flour tortillas with cilantro and red onion, and a delicious golden Spanish rice sitting on a pile of mole sauce. Absolutely stunning for a cold, cold night. Enjoy.